Ekawadhi bure Nairobi wadone jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto odiochieng' ma kawuono koro yawo kanyendo romo mar Jioket Mwandu mowuok e pinjego eko mopogore opogore. Romo bende dhi nyime bure Nairobi ka otwak e kinde onogo yango ne piny Kenya oseketo lwasi makare manendo mar neno ni wechego eko mag ohala gin mago mobedo kare kendo piny Kenya odongore. Wach ma bende osiri kod jagoro mongirore e migawo nendo mar keto mwandu mane oliki Nyanjui moyango ni jatend piny oseketo kengego eko makare. Kuom mano Jioket Mwandu nitiere thuolo mar mondo mi mwandu gi oketi thur kaendi.
It's not by default that the Kenyan people is central to the development of our country and to the investment climate that we have as our country. It's because we have consistently invested as a nation in our human capital. 30% of our budget every year goes to education, training at all levels. We've just increased in the last 3 years our education budget by $1.5 billion in the last 3 years. We've hired 100,000 teachers more into our classrooms, expanded learning spaces by 23,000 classrooms, and developed a new funding model to make sure that our colleges and universities have adequate resources to sharpen our human capital. And from a policy point, I want to assure you that the jewel of our investment, the Kenyan human capital, will continue to receive the Kenya government's attention and resources for us to make sure that we don't lose that competitive edge that comes with investing in our human capital. We're also improving energy competitiveness through ongoing tariff reforms and expanded power generation, ensuring more predictable and cost-effective electricity for energy-intensive industries.
I really want to thank them for the journey that we've walked together. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to welcome all our delegates here in Kenya and also to the Kenya International Investment Conference, this being the fourth one since we started holding these investment conferences. We are delighted to welcome our delegates and participants to the great city of Nairobi. For those visiting for the first time, enjoy our cool weather and take time to explore the many attractions that define Nairobi. This is probably the closest we get to winter, so around the year you can have your stay in Nairobi like this, so really we welcome you. Situated on the equator, Kenya enjoys temperate weather all the year round, making it suitable for agribusiness, green energy,